In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Google Sheets document in landscape orientation. Start by opening the Google Sheets file you want to print. Make sure everything you need is visible on the sheet, because what you see here will guide what appears on the printout. When you're ready, go to the top menu and choose File, then Print. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on a Mac to open the same print setup. You'll now see the print setup window with a live preview on the right and settings on the left. Under the Print Setup section, find the Layout area. This is where you can control the page orientation. Click the Orientation drop-down and select Landscape. Landscape rotates the page horizontally, giving you more room across the width of the page. This is especially helpful for wide spreadsheets with many columns, so headings and data don't get cramped or wrapped awkwardly. Take a moment to review the preview after switching to Landscape. If some columns still spill onto another page, you can refine a couple of settings. Adjust the margins if you need a little extra space. Narrow margins can help fit more content without shrinking text too much, while wider margins can make your printout look cleaner if space isn't an issue. Scaling is another useful tool here. If your content is just slightly too wide, try reducing the scale so everything fits neatly on one page. You can use Fit to Width or set a custom scale to fine-tune the size. Keep an eye on readability in the preview as you adjust. The goal is to fit your data without making the text too small to read. As you tweak these options, the preview updates in real time. This makes it easy to spot page breaks, check column headers, and confirm that important information isn't cut off. If you notice anything missing, go back to your sheet to adjust column widths or hide unneeded columns, then return to the print setup to check again. Once you're satisfied with the layout, margins, and scaling, click Next. This takes you to your browser's or system's print dialog. From here, choose your printer to print the document as landscape, or select Save as PDF if you want a digital copy. Saving as a PDF is a great way to share the exact formatting with others or archive a version of your sheet without altering the original. That's it! Your Google Sheets document is now set to print in landscape orientation with the settings you chose.